We see Bitcoin pumped. Is this a fake out? Or is this a really legit breakout? This is what we will speak about, because right now what people are talking right now is very clear, right? They're talking about a massive bull flag which we have formed here. If we measure here from the top to the upside, this the technical price tag is 17,600. Will we reach it, or will this be a so-called a Bart Simpson pattern, that with some consolidation and then see a breakdown? And also I will show you my trade, and closed I my short, where is it? Closed my short and opened the long, or I'm still in my short. This is what we will speak about. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you appreciate it, bratan. If not, pocho, let's go and watch what is happening. So yesterday, bratans, I told you that I'm in a short, and if we are breaking at 17,100 approximately, this would be long opportunity. So if you took a trade from 17,100 to 70,300 approximately, where is it? Wait a minute, 17,100 to 70,300, you made 1% profit. Thanks, 10%, 20%. Congratulations. If you took this trade, I'm right now still in my short, and I show you also my short position. Why I'm in my short, I explain you exactly in a minute. Right now, it's very clear. There are two scenarios. If we are breaking 17,260 with a clear 15-minute candle, this is obviously for me a clear confirmation that we are breaking out of this huge bull flag, right? So if we are closing is let's say above 70,250, a clear 15-minute candle, then first price target 17,370, and then the next one is our price target from this bull flag around 17,600. So this would be all in all the trade of 2%, could be a long opportunity. Only if we are breaking 17,250, right? If we are breaking below 70,180 with a clear 15-minute candle, this would be a clear short opportunity, right? So then the first price tag is 17,088, the next one would be around 17k, and the next one would be our green line again at 60,000, not at 6,930, at 16,890 approximately, so 1.7%. And I expecting, if we see breakdown, that we will see also break through this green line. Then the next price target would be obviously here around 60,750 and so on. So at least 2.5% and 25% short opportunity if we're breaking down 17,180 with a clear 15-minute candle approximately, right? And right now, bratans, very important, I tell you only my opinion. You don't have to be emotional. I mean, if you're emotional while trading, then this is the wrong place for you. Then maybe you have, I don't know, to go and fight with your wife or your girlfriend, because trading is a no emotional thing. If you think differently, then do it. Do your own, I always tell you, do your own research, because I could be horribly wrong. So therefore, you have to do your own research. I'm showing only what I'm doing. I'm successful with it. However, you should do your own research, maybe you will be even more successful, right? So therefore, right now, why I still thinking that we will breaking down, and it's not a guarantee, it's all, in my opinion, a probability. In my opinion, this was a fake out to liquidate all the shorts right now, right? And why? Because look at this. We see 1 hourly is massively overbought, massively. And the crazy thing is, we see also here on smart money, dump money, you see here the red line is crazy high. You see, wait a minute, I have to extend a little bit. Wait a minute. Here, you see, wait a minute. Here, you see the red line. If the red line is above, dump money thinks we will go even further up, and we see we are heavily overbought on the RSI, which I showed you here, and we see dump money is going crazy that we will pump even more. So there, for me, it's a clear sign for a short. However, It's not a guarantee. Please do your own research. Don't cry around if we see further pump. Do your own research. If you think you should long, then long. If you think you should short, short. Also on the 15-minute, we see dump money is getting crazy. They think we are going to the moon. And this for me, clear sign also even to short more right now, to go even in a bigger short. And here we see also right now that the blue line or the red line crosses the blue line to the upside, which is another sign for a short opportunity, because we see the volume is going down right now. So in my opinion, this is very clear. And if we're watching on the daily, what is also very interesting, because this yesterday break to the upside, look at the volume. I mean, it's a nice candle, not the best, but a nice candle. But look at the volume, really no volume. No volume. You see this green line. So for me, this is a very clear fake breakout. Even if we are going to 17,600, this would be not a big this would be not a big deal in my opinion. So therefore, I show you also in a second my trade. Wait a minute, I have to delete this. I show you also in a second my trade. My trade. Therefore, I shorted even more. And here you see my trade, which is right now $1,500 in a loss. And I am over $220,000 in contract size in a short. Over $220,000 in a short with $1,500 at the moment in the loss, right? Watch out. Therefore, please do your own research. It's not a financial advice, bratans. And don't forget, if you also want to trade on on Bybit, you can get on Bybit at the moment $30,030 for free after a certain amount of initial deposit. You can use this money for trading, obviously after initial deposit. And if you're trading through my affiliate link, you get free access to my Discord and Telegram channel, absolutely for free after $500 initial deposit, absolutely for free. To my Discord and Telegram channel. Make sure you don't miss out on this. And some people also join here. I mean, this is not the best one, but some people are drawing here also how it's called, blood, rising wedge, right? Which would be, by the way, also a bearish sign. You see here, and technical price target of rising wedge is the bottom of the wedge, so it would be at around 15,480, and this would be perfectly fit in with our. We can delete this red line again right now. It would perfectly fit with this support line. On this support white line, right? This support white line is from our descending broadening wedge, and we saw breakout, but we never retested this line. So I still expecting it, even if we are going to see Bitcoin breaking to 17,500 or 17,600, still expecting that we will see here a dump, because we are heavily overbought, man. This is really crazy overbought. I mean, 4 hourly is right now, wait a minute, I have to go a little bit like this. 4 hourly is right now neutral, right? Daily is neutral, but 4 hourly is still overbought. 1 hourly is heavily overbought, and 15-minute is getting right now neutral, but still you see here's dump money. The red line is above, so dump money thinks that we are here clear. Dump money, the red line thinks we are going to the moon. If this red line is down, it means we are going, we see pump. If this red line is to the upside, we see usually a dump. It's not a guarantee. Do your own research, bratans. This is my opinion. Watch out for this, and let us watch S&P 500. Very important to watch right now, because S&P 500 is very interesting. It's the leading indicator for Bitcoin. You know it, bratans, if you're watching my channel. And the interesting thing is what happened. We broke down this white line to the downside, and right now we are retesting this line. And what usually happens if we fail to break through, we will see here a perfect retest, and then a dump, right? Which will cause also a dump in Bitcoin price. So in my opinion, I still hold on my strategy that we see a dump. Therefore, I'm shorting Bitcoin. Ethereum is obviously also a short opportunity. If Bitcoin dumping, we can also short Ethereum. Technical price target of Ethereum is here. The first one 1,236, the next one is 1,219, and the next one around 1,178. If we are further dumping, if Bitcoin pumping, then technical price target of Ethereum, the first one would be around 1,305, and the next one around 1,319, 3.2% long opportunity, right? Also Ethereum you can short long on Bybit, bratan. So very clear in my opinion, bratans. Again, if you also want to trade, you know it on Bybit. But what's very important in my opinion, it's very clear. If we're breaking 70,250, we can long Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, not Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum. If we're breaking below 70,180, it's a clear short opportunity, right? So in my opinion, very clear. I still in my short here again. I show $1,600, 35% in a loss right now with $220,000 in contract size, bratans. I could be horribly wrong. And if I'm horribly wrong, then I'm wrong. It doesn't matter, because what counts that the most of the trades I'm winning than losing, and this is what happens. But do your own research. It's not financial advice. If you have any questions, write them down below on Telegram channel. I kiss you and I see you later. Mwah.